And welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Leetcode the flipping the image question in Python. So we're given a binary matrix. Say we want to flip the image horizontally and then invert it and return the resulting image. So first we need to flip the image horizontally. It means that each row of the image is reversed. For example, flipping 110 horizontally results in 011. So basically, it's like putting the 0 to here and putting the 1 to here, right? Basically, it's like reversing a list, right? We just reverse 110 to 011. Okay, and then we have to invert an image, which means that 0 replaced by 1 and 1 replaced by 0. So you can see here. So let's see an example here. So the input is lists in a list, and the output is also lists in a list. So let's see 110 here. We should first flip it horizontally, so it's basically reversing the list, right? So we got 011 here, and then we have to invert the image, which means 0 replaced by 1 and 1's replaced by 0. So we get 100 here, and we do the rest, do the same for the rest of the list. So the technique we're gonna be implementing today is called list comprehension. So if you're like doing it in Python, you have to know what is list comprehension. If you don't know about this, you can look up more videos about list comprehension. So if we use list comprehension here, remember first we need to reverse the item in the list, right? And then we have to inverse it. So replacing 1s by 0 and 0 by 1. And how do we do that? This is how we inverse 1s by 0 and 0 by 1. So if you have 0 here, if 0 is here, then you get 1 minus 0 is 1. If you get 1 here, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is how you inverse the image, aka replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. And I minus 1 for I in row. Remember, we need to flip an image horizontally, which means reverse the list, right? And this is how you reverse the list. So then we got one list in the list, right? But we have to do the same for the rest of the list. So for row in A. And if you don't know like what's like for something in something, and you find it confusing, you can look up tutorials about list comprehension and you will know it. So basically we can see here